14 years. Imagine, 14 years. Ngayon niya lang i-reveal sa atin. So, basahin ko yung storya niya. Pinamagatang My Dirty Secret. My own version of AA. Kayo namang hula kung sino si AA. I just want to share my story. Though it's a bit long, sana tapusin niyo yung kwento ko at sana ay ma-post din po. I'm female, 34, married for 8 years to 44 years old. We have kids, by the way. Here's my story na sobrang haba. I met this man when I was in college sa Tambayan, sa Kainan, near in our school. Out of nowhere, si tita, yung owner ng place, introduced us dun sa guy. Dalawa kami ng friend ko at may kasama din siya na ibang guy that time. Dun po nagsimula, nagkakilala kami, kinuha niya yung cellphone number ko. I don't know, but binigay ko din naman noong mga time na yon. Wala naman akong pake at hindi ko siya trip. Siguro kasi tingin ko lang sa kanya is mabait. Di nga ako nagkamali. Napakabait niya at doon na nag-start yung pag-uusap and going out namin. Engineer pala siya. Also, businessman. I was still single at that time and my husband wasn't in my life yet. Bago ko nakilala si engineer. So, single pa pala siya nun. And by the way, graduate na po ako nun. Hindi kagapuhan si engineer but he is very generous and kind. He's married nga pala. What else should I expect since he was already in 50s when we met? We lost communication when I started working at casino. Years passed and I had boyfriend who is now my husband. We start living together ni boyfriend. Medyo struggled financially kami ni boyfriend that time. He had resigned kasi from his job. Nag-resign daw siya trabaho, yung boyfriend niya. So I had to cover all the expenses namin nun. Half of my salary went sa rent sa condo. Plus food and other bills pa since ako yung may work sa amin that time. And I got married na din pala kay boyfriend. I got pregnant kasi while we were living together, which is why we decided to get married na. That's the time na naisipan ko i-text si engineer. Ting, ting, ting. I was surprised that day. His number was still exist even ilang years na yung lumipas and he replied. From then, we kept in touch until now. Natago ko yun sa husband ko. Engineer knew my situation back then and he always sent me money kahit di kami nakikita, and engineer did contribute din pala sa expenses sa wedding namin. Pero walang kaalam-alam yung boyfriend ko. He even asked me ba't ako nagpakasal despite our financial struggles. And nasaktan daw siya nun, bigla na lang akong nawala at hindi nagparamdam. My husband hadn't left for work abroad pa kasi that time. Kaya ako pa din nagastos at yun binibigay ni engineer. To be honest, at first, I didn't really care about him. I was just happy that he was giving me money without asking anything in return. Shala. We started seeing each other pag nauwi ako sa Laguna, pero napakadalang lang din. I know it's wrong. Yes, I know. And a huge sin since he's married and so am I. But until now, our communication continues. Then I realized that I had already fallen for engineer. Jing, jing. Jing, jing. I started to care about him. Probably because he was very kind. Hindi kasama to pero generous. He always understand me. That's why I fell for him because of his kindness. Ang dahil mabait sa mundo. Honestly, I never expect myself to end up in this kind of situation. And to be fair, I can say na maganda ako. Long hair. And I'm still attractive. Even in my 30s, lagi ako napagkakamalang dalaga. Parang nasa 20s lang daw ako. Anyway, back to my kwento na. I know it's a sin, but all I can say is that I'm lucky to have him in my life. He always there for me, financially and emotionally, na hindi ko nagagawa sa husband ko. Kasi nga, parang wala lang sa kanya, sobrang walang emotional intelligence, but he is responsible. When my niece hospitalized and medical expenses reached 1.8 million, he contributed 100,000 that time. And yun money that I gave sa parents ko and so on, they thought na galing yung kay husband. Yun kasi pinapalabas ko nung nasa abroad na si husband ko nun. But they didn't know it was actually from engineer. Pati yun car ko. Engineer paid it. Sana all. In our 14 years, yes, 14 years. Yes, 14 years na kami magkakilala ni engineer. Siguro, 11 years yun. Walang jerjer. We become intimate nitong I feel attached to him emotionally na. But he never entered me totally. Because I didn't want to. Shala. Men knows when their partners have had intercourse with someone else. So I was really careful pagdating sa ganun. I didn't want my husband to suspect anything when he came home. And I'm glad that engineer never forced me to do anything I didn't want to do. I always the one in control. Grabe yung patient niya sa akin kahit walang napapala. Wala nga ba? Wala pa. He always considered my feelings then. Unlike kay husband na walang ka-sweet-sweet sa katawan. Ba't naging kayo? All I can say is si engineer was different. Truly one of a kind talaga. Sinasabi niya lang sa akin na he's laging bitin sa akin. But I admired how he stayed despite that. He never left me or get tired sa setup namin ng ganon. He always said din na hindi yun ang habol niya sa akin. Ako lang pala yung naging girl niya bukod sa asawa niya. And I'm not proud of it. You should not. I know engineer truly loves me because he has never changed since the day we met until now. Until kinasal ako at nagkaanak. Engineers knows pala that my husband and I are separated. He wants me to file for annulment so that if ever dumating daw yung time na may makilala ako sa future, I will be legally free since bata pa daw ako. Teka lang. He even said he would cover all the expenses. But what he doesn't know, and I can't tell him that my husband and I are actually still okay. I guess I'm also afraid of losing him and everything that he provides for me. Not for me. Also sa family at sa anak ko na din, which has been a huge help para sa akin. Benefits. He offered me din to buy a house. So all. But I was afraid na my husband might find out and wonder how I got a house even I didn't have work na nga. And mahirap na kasi it was conjugal and kailangan ko si husband sa mga requirements since we're married. So I didn't take the house he offered. I'm scared. Kay husband, I can't always buy everything I want with the money he sends. Pero hindi siya madamot. And I'm also not the type of person na keep asking for money sa husband ko. I lost my job pala during pandemic days. I also had milk tea shop before which is now closed. Si engineer din ang nag-provide ng lahat ng expenses ko for that na akala ng asawa ko ipong ko nung may work pa ako. And now, sa bahay lang ako. Nag-Gcash sa store din namin. But engineer asked me to close it because he said I wouldn't earn much pag store. Plus pagod lang daw ako and I have less time to see him. So I decided to close it na binigay ko na sa mother ko. He want me to start a business or mag-franchise na lang daw ako. Until now, pinag-iisipan ko pa din. Medyo busy kasi ako taking care of my kids and household. Wala kasi akong katulong sa kids. Ako lang. He always said na he just want na maging okay life ko and he will support me in whatever I want in life just to make me happy while he's still alive. Yun lagi yung sinasabi sa akin. I'm feeling blessed kay engineer. Sino ba tatanggi sa 50k a month? Minsan sobra pa. Nang wala kang ginagawa. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, di ba? Pero I knew it na malaking kasalanan at mali yung ginagawa ko. Kahit walang jerjer talaga. I can't deny engineer has been a huge help in my life, especially financially. Since ilang years na nga akong walang work, baka nagtataka kayo mga ka-PL why my husband doesn't suspect anything na nabibili ko yung wants ko. Hindi po ako lumaki sa hirap. My dad is an OFW and my sisters, so he knows that I also receive money from them. To my engineer, I do love you and care for you. Thank you for not taking advantage of me. Mas ako ata nag-take advantage sa'yo. Pero kusang loob mo naman lahat yon. I know deep down, I could never leave my family for him. And siya din, alam ko yon. I love my family and ayoko din maging broken. I get scared that my husband might find out yun sa amin sooner or later. Kaya I don't think leaving engineer na because nagigilty na ako. Nakakonsensya na ako, hindi na tama. Hindi naman ako ganun kasamang tao. Siguro minahal ko na lang din si engineer. Nasabi ko din na the best siya at walang katulad. I know I'll get bashed dito sa story ko. That's all I wanted to share. My dirty secret for all these years.